Hey everybody, it's Lady T and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I use the Dollar Tree sign to make wall decor or door decor. And as you can see, I'm using fall colors here and I'm using ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Everything you saw laying there is from the Dollar Tree. The zip ties, the ribbon, everything except for the scissors and the hot glue gun. So I'm using a sheer ribbon here. I'm cutting it. I'm not putting any lengths on here because you can cut them to the lengths that you want. But you can see here that I'm scrunching them in the middle and I'm sticking them together with the zip tie. I pull the zip tie really, really tight and I cut it off. So now I'm going to scrunch this together like an accordion. Put a little twist on it, but I put the zip tie on it too to hold it together. And then I'm going to glue those two pieces together. Yeah, I'm going to glue them together. And then I'm going to put a flower in the middle of the whole thing. So that's what I'm going to be using to decorate my board from Dollar Tree. It's easy. You can do this easy peasy. Unlike myself, took me a long time to do this because of my lupus hands. But it's okay. So you see I'm using really 3 different types of mesh. And if you've been watching this and you like it, please remember to subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget that like button. So as you can see, there's words on here. It says give thanks. But I just didn't like the way the give thanks looked. It looked too dull and boring. And I didn't feel like doing all that cutting out other letters. So I decided to just go down the board with flowers. And as you can see here, this one has a sunflower in the middle of it. Just to give it a little bit of distinction and break up the monotony. But I go down 5 flowers. I use 5 of these little sets here, and 3 of them don't have the glitter on them and the other 2 do. But you can choose whatever kind of ribbon you want and set them up any kind of way you want. So this is what came in my mind, and this is what I decided to do. I actually was going to do something different, but I didn't like the way it turned out, so I decided to do this. And this is quick and easy. You know, if you don't have anything wrong with your fingers, this would be really quick and easy. Now you see I'm putting some leaves. I'm just putting plain leaves on the side because it was kind of boring looking. And you could still see some of the sides. And I didn't want the sides hanging out. So I put the leaves on the side to make it look a little bit better. And then I wanted to, you know, get away from some of the orange and try to incorporate a different color into the sign, which I thought was a good idea. I didn't have a lot of those leaves, but I used what I had. And again, you know, when we do these DIYs, we do them for you to just look at them, and maybe it's something that you see that you might want to do, but you can always make it your own. This is just an idea for you guys, and I am going to hang this on my door in our new home. And now you see I had the little pumpkins from Dollar Tree. And I have the cloth ones and I have the little foam ones. So I'm putting those on there to fill up some of the spots as well, because I didn't like the way it looked. And then some of the white was showing too from the letters. So I just stuck those in between the flowers. And honey, you know how to camouflage some things. And that's what I did. I put it on there to camouflage some of that white so you wouldn't see it. Because again, I didn't like the white lettering. And I just didn't feel like trying to cut out other letters and doing all that other stuff. So here you can see I did that easy peasy. Easy peasy. And I'm still just gluing on the fabric pumpkins as well as the foam pumpkins where I see that it needs space needs to be filled in. So when I got up, I said, I'm just going to go ahead and do this and get it done. And I know Miss Menda Mitchell, Michigan Red, thank you for beating me here, but here it is. Here it is. You could put it on your wall or you could put it on your door. And I really like this. So that was the other thing. You'll see my Dollar Tree haul, my Dollar Tree visit, and I picked up these faux leather words. One says grateful and one says blessed. And again, I wanted to break up some of that orange, so I wanted to put those on there. And I only lightly glued it on there because I didn't want a whole lot of glue on it, and I just wanted it to sit there. Basically, and the way I glued it on is basically just sitting there, but it's not going to fall off. So you just put a little glue on one or two of the letters and stick it to the flowers, and that's it. Y'all, this is gorgeous. I love it. I hope you love it too. Leave me a comment. And don't forget to give me the thumbs up and like it and share it. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you too. As you can see there, I'm putting on the bless sign. And I'm just putting it on there ever so lightly. I'm not trying to be dramatic. I just want it to sit up. Because if you press it down too hard, it's going to just blend in too much and you won't be able to see it. So, you see how little glue I put on there? Because I just don't want my flowers to be weighed down. You know, just stick it on there. Let it do what it do. And this is what it looks like. I'm so proud of this. My husband loves it. I'm just really proud of it. And Rhonda saw it today. She was surprised. But hey, I'm Lady T. And there you go. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Lady T signing out.